Hi, the goal of this video is to show you how to change bases with exponential form. You can find here the equality. I'll be using the C language for this tutorial. A link in the description will take you directly to the work page. This is a work page, a wikibook. You must first download the hash files. You can find here the hash files. You can then download the first example. This first example is given in two files, a hash file and a C file. First I download the hash file. The name of this hash file is fg. I save this file with the name fg. Now I can download the C file. This is the C file. I copy this C file into my editor. I want to verify if I have all the hash file. Yes, I have the hash file, fg, and the C file. Okay. Now I can save the C file. I want to verify. I want to change a basis with exponential form. You have a value in base E, and you want this value in base E. A, E, perhaps. Sorry, I don't know. Alors, I want to try this example. This is the value in base A. 3 power 9.5. This is the value in base A, and this is the same value but with the exponential function. And you can verify you have the same value. Alors, I call in this line, I call the function f1. F1 is the exponential of x in base A. Exponential function in base A. And here I call the function 2. The function 2. It is exponential of x ln of A. Exponential of x ln of A. And you have seen it gives the same value. Now I think it can be interesting to know how to obtain this equality. Alors, the equality is A exponential of x in base A equal exponential of x ln of A. I want to understand how to obtain this equality. Alors, I write exponential of A exponential of x in base a, and I apply the ln function. This gives x ln of a. This is a rule of a ln function. Now I want to arise the ln function in the left part of the equality. Now, I introduce the ln function, the exponential function. So exponential of ln of x equal exponential of x ln a. Okay. Now when you use successively the function exponential and ln, these two functions cancel each other. Also, these two functions cancel each other. Also, you have a exponential of x in base a equal exponential of x ln a. Now, this is a result that I want. This is a result that I want. Okay. Why this change of base can be interesting? Why? Why? Sorry. If I have a function y, equal x exponential of x in base a, I am not able to derivate this function. I don't know how to derivate this function. But if I change the base, you have exponential of x ln a. And now I am able to derivate this function. Y prime equal a x ln of a ln of a. And now if I want the correct form of the function y, I write with these two functions exponential of ln of a x equal ln of a. And now if I use successively a and ln, these two functions cancel each other. So y equal a exponential of x in base a equal ln of a. And I am able to derivate the function a exponential x exponential of x in base a, even if I'm not able to derivate this function. But if I use the exponential function, I am now able to derivate this function. Okay. You can find here the work that I have done in my on my screen, and you can find here the you can find in this page how to derivate a function in the form of exponential of x in base a. Exponential function in x in base a. Now I have finished my work. Thank you.